Okay, yeah, so I also learned some consonant sounds and some vowel sounds. So yeah, I'm just going to practice them now and see. I learned about like three consonant sounds and two vowels. No, I think just one vowel. Yeah, three consonant sounds and just one vowel. And this is like um consonants. Can you see? Okay, I'm just put it like this. Okay, consonant and vowels. Okay, so the first one is this. Oh, okay. I hope because the stroke he has to be like. Okay, I think it's yeah. Is that correct? I feel like it should have been longer, but yeah, this is it, and this is like the ha ka sound, not a strong ka and not a strong ka. Yeah, and as I have previously stated, according to the tutor, which was I actually learned this on I'm using the teachings of learn Korean with Go Billy Korean, yeah. So to make a sound, you need to make a sound to make like a syllable in Korean. You need at least one consonant and one vowel. So the vowel. So I learned a vowel sound, which is like oh, okay, okay, I'm forgetting. I literally just learned this just now. It's the ha sound, but okay, yeah, I think this is it. Like this. Yeah. Okay. I hope this is correct. Yeah, this is the ha sound. But let me quickly check if it's correct, cause I have to cross. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. I mean, maybe the stroke drawing could use a bit of work, but yeah, for someone who this is my first time learning, I feel like I'm doing a great job. And so I also learned the only style, like the only syllable block that I've learned is the first one, which is this one. Don't laugh at my journey. Okay, yeah, this one, which is the C consonant and V, and C stands for consonant, while V stands. What am I saying? Sounds stands for vowel. So yeah, this is a consonant sound now, and this is a vowel sound. So we'll try to use those together to make a syllable, and that's yeah, and then yeah. Well, that was cute. Can you guys see? I hope the camera is. Can you see? Like that was actually cute. I mean, maybe it's not perfect, but it is cute. And this would be like the ka sound. My guessing, my guessing it. But that's K, G, and then ha sound. So we get the ka, 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 da, ka. I guess that's it. The ka sound. Ka, ka. It's not ka. It's like ka, 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 ka sound. Ka, ka. But I don't know. But yeah, that's what I learned today. And another the second consonant that I learned today is this one. This is written like this. like this. Yeah, it's like my first time. I feel like I'll get better with the stroke as time goes on. But yeah, this is like my first day of actual practice, and this is the hand sound. Yeah, yeah, it's the hand sound. So making a syllable with this. We will do a combination of this and the vowel sound, which will be um yeah, and then okay. So and during this too, we use the first block, which is the CV consonant and vowel. So yeah, we have this now hand sound and then ha. So that's what's happening now. Sana. I honestly don't know how to just pronounce. I can't remember. Would that not be na? Is it na? 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 Is it na? Okay. But the next one, oh, yes, sorry. The next consonant is or, which is what's happening? Why is Siri shining this? What? Okay. Which is written this way. Either is stroke. Oh, that is poorly written. Let me go again. Okay. Yeah. It's not the easiest, but it requires a consistent practice. And for a beginner, I'm giving myself grace. Ta or da. And then the sound, making a sound with it using a consonant and a vowel to form a syllable. That would be um like this and then ha. So that's ta or da and the ha sound. So that's ta 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 ta. What Korean phrase has ta ta in it? I can't remember. Ta 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 ta. Oh god, yes, yes, I'm watching K dramas and listening to Korean songs. Oh my god, I should be able to. Is there a word with ta ta in it? Ta 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 ta. I don't know. I can't remember. But I know this one will be ka as in 감사합니다 or yeah, I guess this one is for 감사합니다. Oh, the last syllable. Guys, if you have oh wait, did you see that? If you have a word like I don't want to use romanization, but you know the romanized version of thank you, like yeah, the formal thank you that we that we often hear in K dramas, the 감사합니다. Now, the hand, like the da part of it, would be this. Okay. Ooh. Am I onto something? Okay, yeah, but yeah, that's what I learned so far. I actually intend to keep practicing, to keep studying. I already learned three consonants and how many vowels and one vowel, yeah. So I intend to keep studying and yeah, let's see. Maybe for like the plan is actually to dedicate about an hour 30 minutes daily to practicing and learning, but yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah, so far so good. That's what I learned so far. But I probably will post this because I don't want the videos to be too long. Yeah, so I'll just post this in different, like two different videos. But yeah, that's it for now. Bye.